Do you want to change your Snapchat username to use your iPhone or Android? Don't worry, here is the step-by-step guide on how to change your Snapchat username with one click. So let's get started. To change your Snapchat username, follow the steps. Open the Snapchat app. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on username. Then tap on change username. Now tap on continue. Enter your new username and tap on next. Now enter your password and tap on confirm your username change. After that, your Snapchat username will be changed. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like button, and if you have any kind of question, then please write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.